Hello guys, in this presentation we are talking about bioremediation. So what is bioremediation? It is the use of microorganisms like bacteria and fungi to degrade the environment contamination into less toxic form. The microorganism may be isolated from anywhere and brought to be contaminated site. The process of bioremediation can be monitoring indirectly the redox reaction, means redox oxidation or redox, together with pH, temperature, oxygen content, electron acceptor or electron donor. All the concentration are effect on this process. So let us talking about in situ bioremediation. So what happened exactly in situ bioremediation? It involves the treatment of the contamination material at that site. So let us see in figure. So high pressure pumps are pulled down in air with nutrients, and the polluted air are formed. So there is a bioinventing form. So in this process we are injection the air under the pressure below the water table and increase the groundwater oxygen concentration. So the increased concentration of oxygen, they are how they are formed, they are enhanced to rate of biological degradation and contamination. So in the figure we can conclude that. So after then we are talking about biosparengings. So there are injection in air under the pressure below the water table to increase the groundwater oxygen concentration and enhance the rate of biological degradation and contaminants by naturally occurring bacteria. In this biospargings, there are naturally occurring bacteria are present, so it is a natural process. uh, After then bioaugmentations. So in this process microorganisms are imported. They are import in contamination site where the composed material take place. So contaminated site enhance degradation process. So after then bioreactor. In this bioreactor involves the processing of contaminated soil material like sediment, sludge or water through uh, engineered the contamination system. And composting, we all know that composting is the natural process. So in this nature's process of recycling reuse material are decomposed organic material into rich soil known as compost. So it is very advantageous process. What is the advantages of this bioremediation? So it is useful to complete destructions of wide variety of contaminants. It complete the destruction of target pollutant is possible. It is less expensive and obviously it's environmental freely. And there are disadvantages too. So bioremediation is limited to those compound that are biodegradable. Not all compound, but some are biodegradable, are susceptible to rapid and complete the degradation. Biological process are often highly specific. And third point is it is difficult to extrapolate from bench and pilot scale studies and full scale field operation. So it is so difficult in that field. And fourth point is bioremediation often take longer than time than other than treatment and process. So there are some advantages and disadvantages in the bioremediation. It is very useful process. So thank you guys.